Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. We have the new dollar days. New dollar days starting July 30th tomorrow, going through August 12th. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing, becoming a channel member, getting us to 30,000 subscribers, which is nuts. Appreciate all the HARBROs. And let's just go ahead and jump in to our deals. We have starting the funnel set. HFT Harbor Freight 4-piece down to $1. Normally $2, 49% off. They look orange here, but they're a little bit more reddish in person. We have the HFT Super Glue 3-pack, $1. Normally $2, 49% off. And actually, just as a note, these are going through the 12th, which means we have an overlap with the parking lot. First couple days of the parking lot sale starting August 10th. So it's right around the corner for ITC. And then, of course, Friday the 14th through the 16th for everybody else. Don't forget, 30% off weekend starting July 31st, which is Friday. Free hat during the week. These dollar days will be an option. All right, we continue. Pittsburgh Micro Spring Clamp Set 6-pack, also down to $1, normally $2, 49% off. And with a mini razor blade scraper down to $1, also $1.99. Some fire deals so far, almost all 50% off, 49% off for this mini razor blade scraper. Then we have the Merlin 1/4-inch brass industrial plug. Don't have too much fun. Your choice of male or female, which makes sense. $2, normally $3, 33% off. Then we have Vanguard, the 125-volt, 15-amp plug protector. Those go together. Your choice also of male or female. Normally $4, 49% off, down to $2. And this, I think, is a Harbor Freight classic. Legendary. It's the Pittsburgh 10mm side terminal battery ratchet wrench. $2. Normally $3.49, 42% off. I would say this is a must pick up. Must pick up for $2. Who's messing around with their ratchet at the battery terminal? I guess that's fine. But if you can get a little mini side terminal battery ratchet wrench and that matches your battery, convenience is off the charts. Then we have the Pittsburgh lifetime warranty high visibility socket adapter set 4-piece down to $3, normally $5, 39% off. Then we have the Warrior magnetic nut setter 9-piece, your choice of SAE or metric from Warrior again, $3, normally $4, 24% off. We continue the Hallmaster 1-inch by 12-foot lashing straps. I'm gonna pick some up for myself, pick some up for a friend. 2-pack, not sure Core Diddy did do it, $3, normally $5, 39% off. And we have the Dollar Days Pittsburgh Fluid Siphon Pump, $3, normally $7, 57% off. A huge discount there compared to Hopkins Towing Solutions. We have the Hallmaster 1/2-inch forged cargo D-ring anchor, also a HARBRO favorite, $4, normally $5, only 19% off. We continue the 6-outlet power strip, $4, normally $5, also only 19% off. Greenwood trigger spray nozzle down to $4, normally $5.99, 33% off compared to Melnor. Then we have the 13-foot by 16-foot drop cloth, $4, normally $5, 19% off. The drop cloth bros. Then we have Pittsburgh 12-inch steel adjustable wrench, $5, normally $10, 49% off. Huge discount there compared to Craftsman. Then we have Warrior again, titanium hex shank drill bit set, 13-piece, normally $7, down to $5 compared to Skill. Then we have Bauer 6-inch hook and loop 6-hole pattern sanding disc with zirconia grain, 5-pack, $5, normally $7, 28% off, available in multiple grits. Continuing Pittsburgh adjustable pin spanner wrench, $5, normally $8, 37% off. We have the Pittsburgh 24-inch I-beam level, $6, 24% off. Normally $8, but down to $6 compared to Swanson. Then we have Grant's cotton terry cleaning towels, 14-inch by 16-inch. This is a 12-pack, down to $7, normally $9, 22% off compared to Detailer's Choice. Then we have One Stop Gardens 40 lumen 8-inch solar LED black finish spotlight, $7, normally $9, 22% off. For the Tarp Bros, we have the 11-foot 4-inch by 11-foot 6-inch all-purpose weather resistant 4mm tarp, $8, normally $10, down to $8, 19% off. And then to round it off, we have the Pittsburgh Pro Alert 1/4-inch drive, color-coded deep socket set, 10-piece, your choice of SA or metric, normally $13, down to $9, 30% off. And those are the dollar days. A little bit different. If you ask me. I like it. I feel like there's been a relative variety to some of these dollar days, which is excellent. $2 10mm side terminal battery ratchet wrench is great. High-vis socket adapters, mini scraper, classic choices in the top line, clamps, glue, and funnels. Those are the dollar days starting tomorrow, July 30th through the 12th. And again, don't forget, free hat week coming up. Not too many people excited about that, but that's the 3rd through the 6th. 30% off all items $10 and under, limit 5, and 30% off all items $20 and under, limit 5. That's the 31st to the 2nd. That's starting Friday. And then, of course, parking lot sale starting August 10th. But I'll leave it at that, Harbros. Always let me know what you think of the dollar days. Hope your week is going well. And as usual, happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.